Good morning, YouTube. Jeffrey Howells Carpet Cleaning, and we got ourselves a job out in Damascus, Oregon, and you are seeing it with me, first time walking through. So, we're just doing a good but quick clean, nice and thorough for the realtor. So, it looks like the front room area here. Everything's been very well vacuumed, so I believe I'm just going to go ahead and jump in. What we will be doing is a CRB, obviously, just because I love the agitation that the CRB provides us with. And everything does look like it is very well vacuumed through here. So, this will be the second bedroom, little closet, third bedroom, closet, bathroom. And it looks like we got ourselves a fourth and fifth bedroom and the hallway. So this is going to be a pretty straightforward clean today. Nothing out of the ordinary. So I did not see any spots or stain on, out of the ordinary. So we will be using sodium carbonate with peroxide today for sterilization purposes, and this is going to turn out absolutely beautiful. Alright, so I did it again. I was cleaning some upholstery in the garage, and I left my sodium carbonate in the garage once again, so I don't have it with me. So we're going to resort to commercial magic and peroxide. And these two in conjunction work very, very well together. Again, the commercial magic helps to break the water tension of water so that you're able to penetrate polyester carpets more easily. And it is fiber safe, so you can use it on either polyester or nylon carpeting, and you're going to get fantastic results with it. So that's what we're going to be using today, and then we're also going to be combining with some peroxide. I like the peroxide because it's a very good cleaning agent, especially if you're dealing with coffee spills and other organic things in the carpet. It does a really good job of taking it out. Plus, it is a fantastic deodorizer and sanitizer as well. So you get a lot of benefits from peroxide. It's not just a stain removal product to be used here and there. You can literally use it on absolutely everything that you do, and it'll just boost everything that you're doing. Alright, so we're ready to begin our soil suspension process with agitation because we already put our pre-spray down. Now, for you owner-operated guys, here's a little bit of a tip that would help you to get a little bit better results from what you're doing. When you do your pre-spray, I generally, depending on the room, if it's real bad, I will pre-spray one room and then go ahead and agitate right away, depending on how bad it is, because then I have the chemical with me right there in the spot, and I can hit up other additional spots as needed. However, in a condition like this, where the carpets are really nice, I will usually pre-spray 2 rooms, and then agitate both of the rooms, and then move on to the next 2, pre-spray, and then agitate. And what that does is that keeps the pre-spray wet in the carpet, so when you go to agitate, it hasn't evaporated or dried yet, and then the soil suspension will have its maximum effect upon the carpet at that point. If you have multiple people working together, a couple guys and a crew, it's not necessarily needed because one guy's pre-spraying while the other guy's agitating. So in that case, you can pretty much just be following behind the other person and get it all banged out at once. But for you owner-operated guys doing everything yourself, you greatly will benefit from your pre-spray if you agitate it as quickly as you possibly can, just so it's nice and wet in the carpeting. Guys, Jeffrey Howells carpet cleaning here. If you have any concerns regarding salvage carpets or needing a carpet clean or selling a house, move in, move out, whatever it is, I can help you out big time. Give me a call, 503-939-0534. I hope you liked today's video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the space below and I will get to them as soon as I possibly can. Until then, God bless, have a great day, and I will catch you in the next video.